Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A7 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar, and let's tap on this first option on the right, so the 3 bars icon, and enter the timer. So after tapping on it, you can set the 3 seconds timer and then 10 seconds timer. After tapping on it again, you can turn it off. So let me quickly set 10 seconds. And now we can go back and tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. Alright, as I said, you can also turn this option off. Just tap on the timer again, and since it is not highlighted, it means that it is turned off. So from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.